Okay, hello everyone, it's me Bestine. It's me Bestine here. Today we're going to learn how to build Android application on our phone without using the internet. Okay, so um look at this software called sketchware. This is the software we are going to use. Sketchware. The name is sketchware. You can get it from Google Play Store, or you can check it down below the link to get it from the Play Store. Okay, so let's start now. With this software, you can see it says sketchware, imagine, create, and share. What is mean that whatever you can imagine, you can create it. Then, if you create it, don't forget to share it. That's what it means. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's me, Best Thing. Okay, so now, uh, when you open it, this is what you see. If you have no project, you will find nothing here. Okay, so now I have a project here. So um, if you want to start a new project, you click here, this plus button here, you click it, then the dialog box will come up. Then you see enter application name here. You enter the application, the name of the application, maybe first app, first 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 app, first, let's say first one, or first app. Okay, so we have advanced setting here where you can set some of the things, the app, the package name, the project name. But for the sake of this learning, then you can change the icon here, the icon of the app. Okay, so when after you are done, you have to click create app. When you click it, you have to wait. Okay, here we are on sketchware. So this is the interface where we draw everything, where we design it. Here, this is the logic area where we write the code. We drag and drop some of the code. Okay, now here it is the component. Here, that is where some of the component like the intent. Later we'll learn how to use all this Firebase, the add mob, the industrial ad. You can you can use this to make, you can use this app to make money by showing ads on it from AdMob. Okay, so it's very easy to. Now this is the interface. Now these are the layouts. This the way we want art to look like. Now this layer, I've add linear v to this uh, view, and you can see this linear view. And if I want to make it wide, now I'll click here, match currents, select it. Now it has covered the screen. When you select match parent, it will cover the screen, and when you give it dimension, the dp, it give it go according to the size you select. Maybe let me give it 200. You can see the way it is, but let me put it on the match parent. Okay, you can see. So uh also have the widget area here. From here you can see these are all the widgets. Later we'll learn how to use this widget. Now today let's build a simple app. Let's convert a website to uh, an app. Okay, we find web view, add web view. Okay, you can see I've add web view. You can see this web view carries some attributes. The ID is web view 1. Okay, so and I've added to the first, to the linear. So I have to go to the logic area, and this logic area, this is where you write the code. And on create this on create this, and if this is the method that we runs after if you launch the app. Okay, now we enter it. See, you can start writing some of dragging and drop some of the code from this side. You can see this side view. When you click it now, something will pop up. Now I have to go through the view area, so I'll go to the view because I want to that web view. I want it to load a URL. Okay, so load URL. I have to select the web view that I want it to load URL. I've selected the web view 1. Okay, then I will give it the site that I want it to load. Let's say https. Okay, https. Alright, um google.com, google.com. Okay, save it. Now, if as you can see, it's very simple. So I can also add. Let me add one component like toast message. Um, like okay, this you understand what toast. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, now this is toast message, and I have to click save. You can see, very simple. So if I run this application now, uh let me run it. You convert this. Let's run it and see what we get. Don't forget, this is the beginning and a lot to it. This is just the introduction, and this with this app you can earn money with it if you build a very useful app that people can use it. Then you can get add more ads on it. Then Google will pay you. Now I have to install it. There's the name. You can see the name. First app. Then after installing it, then what you need to do is open it. Let's see what is going to do. Now my data is off, and don't forget to subscribe to YouTube. My data is off, that's why the web page didn't load. Let me turn on my data. Turn on my data. Okay. Okay, where's the app? You can see it here. And then when you click it, enter. Don't forget that is what those mean. Those mean those message. You can see this is the app we just created. Okay, so thank you. It's me, Bezdin. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. They love to eat. You can make money with it, and many with it. It's me, Bezdin.